Hi everyone. Well, 2020 has been a pretty rubbish year for most people. I really want to make sure 2021 is one which is a hell of a lot better. And the little way in which I can do that is impart my knowledge on how to invest and make the most of our money. At least we can do one thing, is control the things we can, which is what we do with our capital. And I want to, in tonight's webinar, teach you about investing and sorting out your portfolio, your future savings. I'll give you a free downloadable copy of one of my many books. You can see all the rest back there, Investing Unplugged, completely free. But more importantly, I'll distill all that knowledge and information I have as an investor for over 35 odd years, from all my 18 books and from my 200 Financial Times columns as well. All of that going to be distilled into 60 minutes. Plus, I'll list the stocks which are held by the likes of Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, so you can compare how I drilled down and found the stocks I like with the ones they're holding, see what the overlap is. The fundamentals of the process that I use is filter, filter, filter. So I filter for valuation, and then I filter again for growth. Then I filter again for income generation. Then I filter again for cash flow growth. Then I filter again for low volatility, and yet again for strong average returns which outperform the markets. Only once a stock has distilled through all those layers, past all those hurdles, past all those steps, do out of the 9,000 global stocks that I look at, do I narrow it down to the 20 odd which are worthy of being in my portfolio and in my son's portfolio. After all, I'm asking the companies into which I invest, into whose shares I buy, to look after his inheritance, my son's inheritance, and my future retirement fund. So they better be the best of the best of the best. And in effect, I'm interviewing them for that purpose. So I'll teach you all of that. I'll give you names. I'll teach you not only how to fish, but I'll throw you some fish as well in the webinar. The only webinar you'll need to watch on investing, because it's the only one which has got so much knowledge and know-how. And like I said, a free copy downloadable of my book there as well. So thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you on the webinar.